Chemicals are essential to our work, but it's crucial to remember that more is not always better. Using too much chemical can leave a residue, requiring additional cleaning and ultimately costing you time and money. Always follow the instructions on the label. Any chemical that you use in your building must be approved by Bldg.Works. You cannot bring in just any chemical to use. Consult with your operations manager if you have something you want to use that's not on our approved list. The chemicals we use fall into 6 main categories. First, all-purpose cleaners. This cleaner can be used on most surfaces within a building, excluding glass and mirrors. Second, disinfectants, which are used in all buildings during each cleaning session. Germicidal disinfectants are crucial for use in restrooms, kitchens, and food preparation areas. They can also be used to disinfect break rooms. Quaternary disinfectants, like those used in hospitals, are particularly effective. Third, glass and mirror cleaners. These cleaners are specifically designed for glass and mirrored surfaces. Using too much will cause streaks on your glass. Fourth, neutral cleaners. This cleaner is typically used for daily floor cleaning and is safe for most surfaces because it has a neutral pH. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Higher numbers indicate alkalinity, while lower numbers indicate acidity. A helpful tip: clean acidic substances with alkaline cleaners and vice versa, as they neutralize each other. Next, bowl cleaners. We use low-acid bowl cleaners on toilets and urinals. Be careful not to get it on the fixtures, as it can discolor them. High-acid bowl cleaners are very abrasive and are used on toilets with stubborn stains and discoloration. Always wear safety glasses when using these chemicals to avoid accidentally splashing it in your eyes. Last, we also use specialty cleaners. Let's talk about what some of these specialty cleaners are. Heavy-duty degreasers are strong and should be used cautiously. They are used for full-strength cleaning of extra tough, greasy buildups on surfaces in buildings such as manufacturing plants or car dealerships. Stainless steel cleaners are great for polishing stainless steel surfaces such as refrigerators, ice machines, and water fountains. Limescale removers help remove limescale deposits, usually in restrooms and kitchen areas. Odor eliminators neutralize odors caused by bacteria, usually used in restrooms. When cleaning restrooms, remember that sewer gases can back up if the water in the P-trap dries out. Pouring a little water down the drain weekly can prevent this. Additionally, enzyme-based odor eliminators are very effective at eliminating odors by breaking down bacteria. We recommend using an enzyme product in restrooms at least once a month. Use furniture oils and polishes cautiously. Always spray the product onto a rag first, then wipe the surface. This prevents overspray from damaging papers or other items on the surface. Remember, more is not better. Apply polish sparingly. Scouring powders are useful for removing stains and buildup on sinks, especially stainless steel sinks. Barkeeper's Friend is a favorite. Carpet cleaning involves 3 main chemicals. Carpet cleaning solution, which is a light cleaner used for bonnet cleaning and removing surface dirt. Carpet extraction solution, used with hot water extraction to deep clean carpets. And defoaming agent, which reduces foam produced by some carpet cleaning chemicals. Remember to choose the right chemicals for the job and consider using acidic cleaners to neutralize alkaline residue after extraction cleaning. When using an extractor to vacuum up residual water, foam often builds up in the recovery tank. To prevent this and maintain productivity, add 2 to 3 ounces of defoaming agent to the tank. This will eliminate the need to stop and empty out the foam. Next, let's discuss hard floor care chemicals. We use 3 primary chemicals for hard surface floors. First, floor stripper is applied to remove old finish. After letting it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, agitate it with a black pad or stripping brush, then pick up the water and rinse. We'll cover this in more detail in the hard floor section of our training. The second chemical is floor sealer, which seals porous areas in the floor. This provides a harder, more durable surface for the final finish, especially beneficial in high traffic areas. However, keep in mind that stripping a sealed floor requires more effort, as you must remove both the finish and the sealer. Finally, there are floor finishes. We've experimented with various options and recommend our chosen finishes for their durability, shine, and long-lasting wear. While cheaper floor finishes are available, they are prone to burning off during high-speed burnishing, costing more in the long run. Investing in good products initially simplifies maintenance. Moving on to window washing, many commercial cleaners use a basic window washing solution. However, A simple and cost-effective alternative is a mix of 1 to 2 drops of dish soap, such as Dawn, a small amount of ammonia, and cold water. This solution effectively cuts through grease and grime, making it ideal for exterior windows. Now, let's briefly touch on safety data sheets, also known as SDS. It's crucial to have these on site and provide a copy to your customer. SDS contain vital safety information, including first aid procedures in case of chemical exposure. Having these readily available is an OSHA regulation. To conclude the chemical section, let's emphasize the importance of managing chemical usage. Chemicals are a significant expense. Allowing employees unrestricted access leads to waste and unnecessary costs. Never leave concentrated chemicals in your building for your crews to dilute. They will almost always use too much. Regulating chemical use is key to cost control and, ultimately, increased profitability. However, you must keep an extra spray bottle of our everyday use chemicals in your custodial closets. We don't ever want our customers to look in the custodial closet and see that chemicals have run out. That makes them anxious and they begin questioning. As you gain experience, you'll know the right amount of chemicals to keep in your closet, how to be efficient in your chemical use, and how to cut costs and improve your bottom line.